10 steps to stop hacking. How to prevent Android phone from hacking. Cybercriminals can hack your Android phone through various ways you may not know about. So, what can you do to prevent your phone from getting hacked? Look at what's on your smartphone. The first step to protecting your phone is seeing what's on it. This includes installed apps, text messages, emails, photos, videos, and contacts. If there's anything that isn't necessary or looks suspicious, delete it. Update your Android phone. Whatever you do, don't ignore operating system software updates. Even though many warn that updating your phone could cause issues, it's essential to have your Android smartphone up to date. These updates are meant to keep your phone working properly and provide you with the best security. So, the next time you see a software update message, install it immediately. Only connect to secure Wi-Fi networks. When you're out in public like at your local coffee shop, only use secure Wi-Fi networks. Better yet, use your own private mobile hotspot. Public Wi-Fi is the easiest way for hackers to gain access to your Android phone. When someone connects to one of these public Wi-Fi connections, the hacker may be able to steal their smartphone information. Use an Android spy application. It's important to monitor your phone's activities using a text spy Android app. This not only helps you keep track of your own activities, but detects any suspicious actions as well. These apps can track your texts, social media activity, emails, call log, and more. For example, you would be able to see if someone is sending fake texts from your phone. Be careful of the apps you download. Before downloading apps on your phone, make sure they are safe and legit. You can see this is by looking at an app's reviews and permissions information. Even though the Google Play App Store has an app vetting process, some apps created by hackers do slip through the cracks. It's easy for a mobile app to steal your personal information. Also, to ensure non-Google Play Store apps don't end up on your device, turn off the Allow Unknown Sources security setting. Utilize all of your phone's security settings. Review and utilize all of your phone and app security settings. This includes using passcodes to lock your phone, two-factor authentication, facial recognition, and blocking unknown apps. While you're at it, make sure your social media platforms and other online accounts are secure as well. Install an Android cell phone antivirus software. To stop hackers in their tracks, install an antivirus software program on your cell phone. Have it scan your phone daily, and also do manual scans yourself. If anything suspicious is happening on your smartphone, an antivirus app will detect and quarantine the threat. Have strong phone and account passwords. One of the easiest ways for a cybercriminal to hack your Android phone is by guessing your passwords. Do not reuse a password you already have. The password must be a random combination of letters, numbers, punctuations, and symbols. It cannot have any relation to yourself, like your dog's name or the street you grew up on. You may also want to consider using a password manager to protect your passwords and keep track of them. Don't leave your phone unattended in public. If your cell phone is important to you, don't leave it unattended in public. A hacker could easily walk past it, grab it, hack your Android phone, and put it back without you noticing. Make sure to have a secure place to keep your phone, like in your purse, bag, or a zippered jacket pocket. Turn off Bluetooth when not in use. When you're not using Bluetooth on your phone, turn it off. Hackers can gain access to your phone and personal data by intercepting your Bluetooth signal. In September of 2017, there was a hacker threat known as Blueborn. Hackers used a Bluetooth exploit to gain access to millions of Android users' data. Even though this threat was stopped, something like this could easily happen again. By taking these preventive steps, like turning off Bluetooth and using the best Android spy app, your phone will be impenetrable. You will no longer need to worry about your smartphone getting hacked.